Internal comments in questionnaire offers a possibility to add internal comment or note in supplier's answers internally. Internal comments are not seen by supplier, but only buying organization's users. The functionality is activated in use on Questionnaires Info tab by selecting Internal Comments. Internal comments can be added while reviewing suppliers' answers. Click on Review Answers on Suppliers tab. Open Internal Comment field by clicking Add Internal Comment. Type notes in the field and click Send. Internal comments are shown below the question field, and the internal comments are framed with different color than normal comments that are seen also by supplier. A summary of all internal comments is shown on Suppliers row.